M5856. Please introduce yourself.
It is my great pleasure to introduce myself with your employers. Hi, Mom and Sir. Good day. I'm Gina Gonzalez, 46 years old, married, and I live in Ibarasi, Iloilo, Philippines. And I'm a Roman Catholic. I have 3 children, 1 boy and he is 25 years old, and 2 girls, 23 and 21 years old.
Okay, your highest educational attainment.
I'm a college undergraduate, sir, took a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education.
Okay. Tell me about your experiences as a helper.
My work experience was in Hong Kong for 2 years and 1 month. I served 6 members of the family, 2 elderly, 69 and 70 years old, a couple both 39 years old, and 2 kids, a 5-year-old girl and a 9-year-old boy. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, elderly, doing household chores such as laundry, maintaining the cleanliness of the house, ironing and steaming clothes, car washing, gardening, and taking care of 2 dogs.
And you're also the one who cook, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you have experience also in Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Abu Dhabi.
I work in Abu Dhabi last 2018 until 2020, sir. I serve 7 members of the family, 2 elderly, 55 and 60 years old, and then 5 adults, 35, 32, 29, 25, and 21 years old adults. My main duties and responsibilities are also cooking, making Arabic coffee, milk tea, sweets, laundry, sometimes gardening, and then taking care of 2 cats.
Okay. So you are not the only one helper on your
We are
employer.
3 workers, sir.
Okay, you are 3 workers. The 2 worker, what is the main duty?
Also, they have, because each one of us, sir, have assigned work.
Okay, you have an assigned work. Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to take care of the newborn baby, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir. I wash my hands first to make sure that my hands are clean, and then wash the bottle, sir, sterilize, and then measure the exact amount and milk, and then shake, and
Okay.
then check the temperature, and then give it to the baby, sir.
So you know how to prepare. Okay. By the way, your work here in Hong Kong, it is finished.
Yes, sir. Please contract, sir.
Okay, a finished contract. Okay. What will you do if the newborn is crying?
I'll check the body temperature, sir. Maybe she have a fever.
Okay.
And then I check the diaper. Maybe the diaper is full. If the baby has a stomach ache, and then maybe discomfort from clothing, sir.
Okay. And if the baby is still crying, everything that you have done, what will you do?
I will inform immediately my employer that the baby will not stop crying, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest country to work as a domestic helper, sir, and a higher salary that I can provide the needs of my children, and to save money for future goals.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong as long as my employer wants to work with them, sir.
Okay, so it is okay to extended your contract.
Yes, sir, I'm willing to extend it.
Okay. Since you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, tell me about what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I cook, sir, steamed fish, Taiwanese steamed minced pork, minced pork with egg, or minced pork with tofu, stir-fried vegetables, stir-fried beef with vegetables, lung soup, and then sweet soup, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to cut your hair into short? It is
Yes,
okay
sir.
to you? How about eat the food that the employer provides?
Yes, sir. We need to eat the food they give to me.
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes, I'm willing to work with other workers, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to take care of that.
Okay. How about learning Cantonese if one of your employers
Yes, sir. I'm
family?
willing to learn how to speak Cantonese, sir.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employers, I hope you find me suitable to work with your family. I will follow all your rules and regulations. I will respect your family. And I promise I'll do my best. I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, patient with the children and elderly, and I can work without any supervision.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Gina.
Thank you, sir.